Hello, guys. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your location and time. So, I don't want to make voiceover. So, come with me, let's cook. What are we having today? Yam porridge. I've added potato for some people. Have you said this one? Two. The long way. I'll be boiling my water and my fish. My fish. As na my husband, they produce them. Now we the shop am. Oh yeah, go. So you are there taking my fish. So I take my onion. I saw one update. They say this particular all this thing you see on this onion. They say it's not dirty, that is bacteria. That if you want to use your onions, always wash it with salt. Let's wash with salt. This fish, if you have not been using this type of fish, my dear, you are missing a whole lot. So I like breaking my own so that I'll wash the inside. Fish is ready. Let's go and put aside the pot. My fish first. Salt, Maggi. No, no, that the one that they call them, but now Maggi are they call them. Let's go and peel the yam. So I just add my onion. So our yam is set. The fish is not soft yet. Pound. Add our pepper into it. Wash your mortar inside it. See that? Do you think I will make a good meal? Drop it in the comment section and wait for the end result. It's up. As I was waiting for the yam to get ready, I went to pick some scent leaf for my compound. They are well washed and sliced. Let's wait for the yam to get more softer before we add it. So this is our yam. Can you see that? So let's add this to it. I know most of you will be confused. What is this? But if you really want to know, just comment it. I'll let you know. That one, you know? My camera is not giving justice to this food because it's dark over here, man. It's so dark over here.